Let's make your day a little better. Said it with confidence. Regretted it immediately.
That's it. Leave me. What's that? Leave me. What's that? Get back.
Ooh, wait, Angel. Ooh.
A dad's reflex that needs no training.
Oh, she's literally going to push us. Oh dear. Okay, here we go. Oh. Chloe.
I'm sure I've heard this sound before in a cartoon.
I put a devil has to kiss me. Here we do. See? She gets.
I'll give you relaxing medicine. You got fentanyl and Versed.
Fentanyl?
Yes. It's okay. It's not the bad kind of fentanyl. It's the medicine kind of fentanyl. It's okay.
Oops.
Keep it there. Okay. Oh, that's so funny. Oh. You gotta stay here all day now. He brought the blanket and everything. Look at, oh, look.
This is not luck. This is God's protection.
If I lift her arm up and it stays up in the air, then she's asleep. She's sleeping.
Okay, let's see.
If both hands were in the air, she'd be sleeping. Let's see if the other hand goes up.
Let's go.
Dude, you guys got it.
It's not a penalty. It's a souvenir shot for the cameraman.
I gotta go home. I am not staying here. Are you okay, little hoe? Hello? It's off mute. Hello? Hello? Press some buttons.
Nico, what's wrong? Are you crying?
The dog didn't understand the moment, but felt the joy.
You want this box?
The dog learned pranks from YouTube. Like he was waiting for this moment all along.
So we call this dad magic, okay? So you got the big logo here. You got to build it up.
Wait.
Welcome to Everett Vacuum. Everything we sell sucks.
It almost happened, but God willed otherwise.
Come here.
The mirror betrayed her, and the window exposed her.
Eu amo o baiano, velho. Peraí, deixa eu ver a cara dela.
Ai,
Here, I got it again. Look at this. This bird wants smoke. Look at that. Oh, hey, crack the window.
He calculated the workout weight, but forgot the pocket weight.
Here he is! Look at this dude! Look at this dude, bro! Look at this dude! He's got a dog on us!
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
React to static charge. With only a few quick shots, I was blown away. Since my hand acts as ground, the sand violently rose and fell like a sandstorm, attempting to drain its charge. Really cool.
A screen that expands with a touch. Who invented this?
Like, I mean, it cannot be done.
Ayo. Keluar jam. Boleh. Ayo. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I don't know if they're gonna bite or not.
I have nothing for you.
Sorry. Oh. Oh my god.
This animal has a lot to say, but nobody understands him.
Because what do you mean I'm at a restaurant and I drop something accidentally and I go to pick it up and then...
Damn it, I got caught by this train. I'm gonna be here forever. Oh, it's over. Okay.
What is 1 trillion to the 10th power?
1 trillion raised to the 10th power is 1000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000
最屌的烧烤啊！城管来了，快跑！快跑！快跑！快来了！嗷溜啊！
Monkey, I'm busy. You can show me one more flop.
Jocks, come on. I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, no. Who deep fried the knife?
And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.